Hi guys, welcome back to Dress TV, your home of entertainment and celebrity gist. Today's update: Obi Kubana's biography, lifestyle, and network. Before I get right back to the update, if you've not clicked on the red subscribe button, please do that. Turn on post notification bell, set it to all so as to be notified whenever I drop another interesting video such as this one. Without wasting much of your precious time, guys, let's get right back into the video.
Mad. Yes.
Me mad.
Are you suffering from amnesia?
Fear of losing.
I didn't say amnesia.
Life could have been more deadly.
This thing is too high for me. I have an interview tomorrow. No reference.
Or do you have a job already?
No, I won't last in this job. My Oga is an idiot.
Technically and magically inclined.
And the way I'm looking at it, I might slap him before the end of this week. Yes.
B.E.A.Bu, popularly known as Obi Kubana and fondly called Celebrity Barman, is a Nigerian-based businessman, hospitality executive, entertainer, entrepreneur, business mogul, philanthropist, and a show killer. He is the chairman and owner of the popular Kubana groups, which have different chains of parastatals. Obi Kubana is from Oba, a community in Idemili South local government area in Anambra State in the southeastern part of Nigeria. He was born on 12 April 1975 in Enugu. He is currently 46 years old. Obi Kubana is currently married to Ebele Iyegbu, and the marriage is blessed with 4 handsome boys. His children's names are Alex, Ifeanyi, Ebube, and Kosi Sochukwu. In 1998, after completing his primary and secondary school education, Obi Kubana proceeded to the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, where he obtained a bachelor's degree in political science. In 2006, Obi Kubana started his first club, Ibiza Club, in Abuja, seeking to satisfy fun seekers and nightlife lovers. Following the remarkable process he made from the Ibiza Club, he established the Kubana Group, a hospitality club that provides all-around entertainment satisfaction in 2009. Kubana Group was first established in Owerri, the Imo State capital in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Today, Kubana Group has spread across various states in the country, including Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Owerri, and Enugu. The list of businesses and establishments under Kubana Group includes Rolex Hotels in Lagos, Kubana Leisure Outfits in Lagos, Pablo Kubana in Lagos, Krav Kubana in Abuja, Grand Kubana Hotels in Abuja, Opium Kubana in Owerri, Kubana nightclubs in Lagos, and Gustavo Kubana in Enugu. You can see why he is called Celebrity Barman. Obi Kubana close associates include Pascal Okechukwu, popularly known as Kubana Chief Priest, to manage his entertainment conglomerate around the country. Obi Kubana, in a recent interview, revealed that he is currently working on Kubana Dubai and Kubana Real Estate. Obi Kubana has won several awards and recognition across the country. He is currently expanding its reach across Nigerian borders and also outside Nigeria. Some of the awards Obi Kubana has won include Democracy Hero Awards 2018 as Democracy Entrepreneur of the Year. In May 2017, Obi Kubana was awarded the Wright Village School Special Leadership Award, Ghana Nigerian Achievers Award, Inspiring Personality Award, Northern Nigerian Peace Summit Award, Northern Nigerian Peace Builder of the Year Award, Nigerian Film Corporation Entertainment Award, Icon Award, and Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award. In 2008, Obi Kubana got married to his beautiful wife, Ebele Iyegbu, who is a lawyer by profession, and their union is blessed with 4 sons. She calls herself the mother of the boys. Obi Kubana is married to Ebele Iyegbu, who is the founder and the owner of Cake Foundation, a non-governmental organization established with the aim of improving the lives of the less privileged children in our society through quality education, health care, nutrition, and child rights governance. Obi Kubana is currently one of the richest and the most influential personalities, entertainer, show promoter, public figure, and entrepreneur in Nigeria with an estimated net worth of $100 million. When you convert that amount of Nigerian money, Obi Kubana has an estimated net worth of 50 billion naira. This is based on his income, properties, and assets. Obi Kubana created history and controversy in Nigeria on Friday, 16 July 2021, when he gave his late mother a befitting burial. The burial had billionaires, public figures, celebrities, and politicians in attendance, and money was flying in the air. It was the most lavish and extravagant burial of all time. Billions of naira was spent on that burial day, which made people to question his source of wealth. Obi Kubana received a cash gift worth over 1 billion naira. He was said to have gotten 346 live cow, 72 live goats, and 20 live rams during his mother's extravagant burial ceremony. Obi Kubana has not stopped receiving gifts from his friends, employees, and those he has supported through life. It was earlier reported that Obi Kubana got 46 live cows from his former employee, Kubana Chief Priest, and 10 cows from his old-time friend and young billionaire, Joey Zaza. Other celebrities like Imoni, Zubi Michael, Odumeje, and others were throwing bunches of money on him. It was reported that Obi Kubana made an estimate of 1 billion naira on his mother's burial. Obi Kubana is a businessman that has achieved a lot so far, but still has a great personality. He likes to keep a low-profile life and has just a few cars and lots of assets. Obi Kubana, during an interview with journalists, urged Nigerian youths to detest from seeking wealth through illegal means, stating that he does not have soap to cut for anyone. Speaking in an interview with BBC Pidgin on Tuesday, 20th July 2021, Obi Kubana said he got his breakthrough when he made his first million naira after his National Youth Service Corps program in Abuja. He said it was in Abuja that he was introduced to the real estate business, where he met a client who wanted to furnish a house. After furnishing the house for the client, Obi Kubana was gifted 500,000, as he also made over 600,000 naira in profit for the job. According to him, that was the first 1.1 million naira I made before I joined contract work in Abuja. I signed a contract with PPMC, made a little money, and then bought my first Mercedes V-Boot. I invested the money I made into a garden bar, beer parlor before I established Kubana Group. Miracle can't give you money because pastors need money more than you. Native doctors can't give you money either because they too need money more than you. If you want money, you have to work hard for it. It doesn't come easily. It comes through dedicated hard work and persistence. If you are in your 20s, work hard now. I am 46 years old now. I have done my first half. I don't know why someone who is just 20 years old will say he has not made it when he still has 50 years or 60 years ahead. There is no soap to cut for anyone. There is no soap anywhere. The secret is work hard, pray, be good, and make your own.
Enjoy the rest of the video and don't forget to let us know what you think about this in the comment section. Don't forget to drop your opinion in the comment section and let us know what you think about Obi Kubana's lifestyle and exotic cars, houses, and the way he manages his business around the world. Enjoy, guys, and continue to share our videos on all social media platforms as well.
Established men, people who don't make big name for what thing that they do. But I feel say they want to show love to the family, love to mama, love to the Kubana Group, and people where we don't take since before we don't even begin get money. Most of them are schoolmates, most of them are people where we don't work out together, where we the hustle. Because we don't come alive, come be like this. We get history. So when you can't get things like this now, maybe people go feel say, okay, now this opportunity they go use, maybe they show you love, show your town, say you get people. Now what did I see what happened for that matter, what happened that day? For the business, what we they do, say, I show business. So everything can join, can they sweet my belly like that. Why not go happy? I happy now. At least not be thought say they catch me thief. Not be said to catch me do this one or say they disrespect my country. Everything what I do, nothing where you carry my town over and the Anambra State, put on for world map. And the thing happened like that. I go, they happy now. So as they bomb me for this Oba, where we sit down now. Now I come put me for primary school. That time my mama a teacher for that primary school, Central School Oba. Opposite that place where we do the burial. Now there the school there. As we come past now, can't go secondary school. Now they carry me go Onitsha. As we can't reach Onitsha, DMGS, there we pass. Congo University of Nigeria and Soka. You go surprise yourself, say what I study in political science. But as you can't look for job, 99 now you can't do youth service for Abuja. Look for job so they shoe one bend. You can't begin do small mama put. And from there, we say beer parlor for garden. From garden, now we come, God bless us, we come through RFI. We can't demolish everything that time. We still say hope don't finish. We can't go open Ibiza. Ibiza, now you come Bon Cubana. That time, where we do that our garden, me and my brothers and friends, we live for one zone 4 house that time. That time, that's room, 12 by 12, where we put foam for ground. Now like 6 we there inside the room, we dey manage. That time we know they suffer, now we be the biggest boy, because that time Abuja never tear eye as it tear right now. So we dey do am, we dey push at that time. Anything where we see, we go just dey try, make we turn stand to Gary, make we transform anything where we go fit. Work on carry some of them, go Port Harcourt, carry one, go Czechoslovakia, carry one, go Lagos. We can't remember for the Abuja, so we go find what thing we can't find here. So that's Abuja we dey. We dey manage. We don't look person own. We don't look say we one day like this person, but they look and say we go reach where we dey. Say hunger no go kill us. Say one day we go.
Thank you guys for watching that wonderful video from beginning to the end. Thank you for consuming our content. If you enjoyed the video, kindly give it a thumbs up and share our video on all social media platforms as well with your friends and family on all social media platforms. And if you haven't clicked on the red subscribe button, please do that. Turn on post notifications. Set it to all so as to be notified whenever I drop another interesting video such as this one. See you guys on our next video. Stay safe. Peace.